Today I'm going to be reviewing BlueBonnet SunFiber. What's good about SunFiber is that if you have IBS like I have, it's a low FODMAP food. So basically FODMAP, what it means, if it's a low FODMAP, it means it doesn't ferment in your stomach. So it kind of moves through quicker and it doesn't sit there and ferment. That's what causes gas, bloating, uncomfortableness. A lot of the other fibers out there, inulin and stuff, can cause those problems with people from IBS. So I had been using like a BeneFiber type thing and it was fine. It wasn't bad at all. But I heard about SunFiber. Now this just is one brand. There's other brands that have SunFiber, which is just guar gum bean, and it's a fiber made from that. So it seems to work really well for me. I'm still deciding if it's worth the extra amount of money that it costs to get it, because it comes in, it's like 7.4 ounces. So I can get the BeneFiber for a lot cheaper, which I like. I've been using it now for about 2 months, so it's not bad. It does work. I just don't know if there's extra benefit over what I was having. But there are a lot of people, and this is what I've read, who are super sensitive to FODMAPs and they want a low FODMAP type food, and this will help you out. It's just much easier on the stomach. So this does pretty well. It gets 4.4 stars on Amazon, which is what I like to see. It only has 175 reviews, but in September of 2025, 1,000 of these were sold. So it does really well. It sells a lot. So people are liking it. It's not like a big returned item. I didn't mind it at all. I just wish it was a little bit cheaper, to be honest. So I'm going to be keeping my eyes out for other brands that have SunFiber. So I think it's good. It doesn't cause me any issues. So I'm pretty happy with it. And I think if you have issues, you have IBS, this could be a very good choice for you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.